everyone! Today I'm unboxing something truly special, the brand new Aurus X9.
Just look at this beauty. The curves, the shine, that futuristic design. Okay, it's absolutely breathtaking.
These diamond-cut headlights and chrome-detailed grille make every glance unforgettable.
Now, let's check out the interior crier, where luxury meets comfort in every inch. Soft leather seats, customizable lighting, and a full panoramic roof, it feels like sitting inside a dream. This massive 15-inch touchscreen gives total control, from music to climate, all at your fingertips. Listen to that engine purr failure. Pure power wrapped in elegance. The handling is so smooth, it feels like floating on air. Absolute perfection.
It's loaded with smart tech tow, 360-degree camera, self-parking, lane assist blocking, all making driving effortless.
The handling is so smooth, it feels like floating on air. Absolute perfection. This car doesn't just take you places, Cuse. It makes every journey unforgettable. So, if you dream big, drive bold, hurry! The Aurus X9 is your perfect match.
Luxury, power, perfection, all in one masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and tell me, would you drive this beauty?